When where you live matters, Chapel Hill North Apartments is where you want to live. This spacious 857 square foot apartment is available for immediate move-in. As you walk into this apartment, there's a large coat closet with storage space. The bamboo flooring are easy for cleanup. This one-bedroom apartment has open walls. It is a decorator's dream. Our cutout walls are a great place for plants and our whatnots. Our modern bathroom has granite countertops, a vessel sink, glassed-in shower, large walk-in closet, stackable washer and dryer included in this apartment. The tile flooring makes for great cleanup. This one-bedroom, energy-efficient apartment has a granite countertop that extends the length of the wall. The natural lighting and open space makes great for entertaining. This open space also opens up to an energy-efficient kitchen, complete with side-by-side refrigerator, freezer, flat-top electric range, microwave, dishwasher, garbage disposal, and tile backsplash, which makes for great cleanup. The large patio overlooks the view of our courtyard, fire pit, and saltwater pool. So when where you live matters, Chapel Hill North Apartments is where you want to live. Give us a call today about apartment 311.